welcome to the timeless elegance of hand-woven Indian saris, proudly presented by India Unbox. This journey invites you to explore India's most iconic textile, the hand-woven sari. For centuries, these garments have represented elegance, identity, and craftsmanship. Let us guide you through the heritage, artistry, and global relevance of these exquisite weaves and show you why they are the perfect offering for discerning international buyers. India's handloom heritage is one of the oldest surviving artistic traditions in the world. These textiles have been woven for over 5,000 years by generations of master craftspeople. Each region of India brings its own distinctive style, technique, and cultural motifs to the loom. Beyond fashion, saris carry cultural meaning, telling stories through colors, symbols, and borders. This timeless tradition continues to evolve while preserving its deep cultural roots. Handloom weaving is a deeply skilled process. It begins with the selection of premium threads, silk, cotton, or specialty blends. Patterns are developed using either age-old designs or customized motifs. Weaving each sari takes weeks of meticulous labor, requiring extreme precision and patience. Every sari reflects hundreds of hours of focused craftsmanship, offering authenticity and detail that cannot be replicated by machines. India's regional saris are instantly recognizable. From the luxurious silk and intricate gold zari of Banarsi saris, to the rich mulberry silk and contrasting pallus of Kanjivrams, to the shimmering lightweight elegance of Chanderi saris, each region contributes a unique textile identity. These weaves are not only aesthetic marvels but also cultural markers, appreciated by collectors and connoisseurs around the world. Our saris use only the finest materials. You'll find mulberry, tussar, and muga silks, each offering a different texture and drape. Our premium cottons are soft, breathable, and ideal for tropical climates. And we use authentic zari, made with real silver or gold, to create luminous accents that last for generations. The superior quality of these natural fibers ensures beauty, durability, and long-term value. Indian artisans are masters of adaptation. Buyers can choose from traditional or modern color palettes and adapt patterns to suit regional markets. Embellishment options include custom zari work, embroidery, and bead detailing. We also offer branding possibilities like branded tags, packaging, or story cards. Our workshops welcome collaboration and offer full customization for exclusive international collections. Hand-woven saris are inherently sustainable. They're made from natural, biodegradable materials such as organic cotton and silk. Plant-based dyes produce brilliant colors without chemicals. Because they are crafted on handlooms, there's zero electricity used during production. Every purchase also supports rural artisan communities, ensuring fair wages and empowering traditional livelihoods. These saris represent ethical fashion in its purest form. Hand-woven saris have global resonance. In formal settings, they bring elegance to galas, weddings, and cultural celebrations. Contemporary designers are repurposing sari fabric into dresses, jackets, and accessories, introducing these textiles to new markets. And cotton saris offer daily versatility, perfect for casual and professional wear. Their timeless charm transcends geography and fashion trends. India's handloom sector supports over 4.3 million weavers, many of whom are women working in family-run units. These craftspeople depend on weaving for their income and dignity. More than 70% of weavers are women, making this sector vital for rural empowerment. Your purchases directly help preserve endangered skills and support livelihoods that keep heritage alive. Every sari is a long-term investment. With over 200 hours of craftsmanship, master-woven saris carry exceptional value. They're built to last, often for 30 years or more, and are passed down as family heirlooms. For retailers, direct sourcing offers up to 5x markup potential thanks to exclusivity and artisan appeal. These are not disposable garments, they are legacy pieces. Sourcing with India Unbox is simple and structured. We help you identify your requirements, connect with trusted weaving clusters, and order samples to confirm quality. Once satisfied, we facilitate bulk production with complete visibility. Our team manages every step: design coordination, quality control, and global shipping, so you can focus on growing your business with confidence. Our saris undergo strict quality control. We verify fiber content and thread count and test zari for purity. We inspect weaving tension, border alignment, and motif accuracy. Final checks ensure color fastness, wash durability, and professional finishing. Every piece is double-checked before shipment, ensuring that only the highest quality saris reach your customers. Global interest in authentic, handcrafted textiles is growing rapidly. Buyers seek meaningful garments that reflect tradition, quality, and sustainability. With strong consumer demand for cultural and ethical fashion, handwoven saris provide an unmatched retail opportunity. Whether you sell in boutiques, e-commerce, or design houses, these textiles stand apart in the global market. Our international clients have built thriving businesses with handwoven saris. These products attract discerning customers who appreciate authenticity, craftsmanship, and cultural depth. Many have expanded into accessories and home decor using the same fabrics. Their success proves that when you combine ethical sourcing with timeless beauty, you build not just a business, but a brand with soul. Are you ready to bring India's most elegant textile tradition to your customers? Partner with India Unbox for reliable sourcing, transparent processes, and access to master artisans across India. Round Pushpin address: Modinagar, Delhi NCR, Uttar Pradesh 201-04. Telephone receiver phone +91 87-553-00795. Email symbol email support@indianbox.com. Globe with Meridian's website https://indianbox.com. Thank you for joining us to celebrate the timeless elegance of handwoven Indian saris. We look forward to collaborating with you on this journey of heritage and craftsmanship.